You know, random thought. What if I just filmed all my vlogs from this angle?
To go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party inside the Arabian clubs.
Hi Kingdom, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Dishon King. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss out on any videos the second that they drop. I feel like it's been such a long time since I've even said those words. I'm gonna have to explain all that when I get back from the movies because I'm about to head out. It's Memorial Day weekend. I'm doing like a little weekend vlog. We about to go see little Ariel. I'm actually really excited. I remember when the trailer first came out, I was just like, oh, I am seeing that opening day. So I had to get like the 9:30 showing. The theater that I chose, they didn't really have that many like showing options, which I thought was weird. I don't know if maybe there's like other things out right now that they're trying to like show, but that doesn't make any sense. I'm trying to find my J's. These are like my favorite shoes that I've been wearing lately. The Air Jordan 1 Mid Linen, I think is the name of the color. I'll link them down below if any of y'all want them. Okay guys, so walking into the theater, I got my icy per usual and then a bag of Skittles. I think the preview started. Wish I could be part of your world. Wish I could be part of that world. No, that one TikTok, bruh. That TikTok be having me dying of that. Oh my god. First of all, don't ever go to like a 9:30 showing, especially if the movie is like 2 hours plus long, because I damn for sure slept in the middle of that movie and I'm so mad that I did that. I was really hoping that that wasn't gonna happen, but like, I just can't be doing long movies no more. I don't know what's happening to me. Like I fell asleep for like a good 5 minutes during Wakanda Forever at the part where Angela Bassett died, so I didn't even see that part. But I don't know how long I was out for this movie because I was seeing some clips on Twitter this morning. I missed the kiss the girl scene, the part where Ariel actually like was able to tell Eric her name. I missed the part where like the original Ariel, like she did a cameo appearance, so I missed that part. Where was I, bro? Also, I was hella uncomfortable because the girl next to me kept coughing and sneezing. It wasn't like overkill per se, but like I got one of the middle seats, so I ended up not having anyone sitting next to me to the right of me. But the girl that was in the next seat over, she ended up spilling like a whole bottle of Sprite over herself. I'm like, it's not even like I could get up and like switch over here. And plus I didn't want to make it awkward. Maybe I should have like went with friends. I typically don't make plans to go to the movies with people because that to me is just a lot. If I want to see something, I'm just gonna get up and see it. Like it's not that serious. The movie ended up ending at like midnight. The Little Mermaid is like about 2 hours and 15 minutes. It's a long movie. I enjoyed it. The parts that I was awake for, I enjoyed it. Hallie definitely did her thing. She sang her ass off. Right now, I'm just laying in bed. I woke up at like 9:30, 9:45-ish. I've been in bed for like 2 hours. It's like 12:18. I've just been watching TV. Let me explain some things first of all. I'm currently in the middle of spray painting my dresser. I'll show you guys in the living room like what it looks like so far. I had a whole vlog, a whole other weekend vlog that I was supposed to post, and I didn't get to post because it was missing half the footage, and I don't know why. I want to say it has something to do with my mic because I decided to vlog with like a mic, and I think the mic like corrupted some of the files somehow. I don't know. Yeah, so that's what I was doing last week. I was spray painting my dresser. I have to go back to Home Depot to get more spray paint because I need more spray paint. Like I have to do a second coat. There's 5 drawers that I haven't sprayed yet. Other than that, I need to clean my house. There's a smell that I'm smelling and it's coming from my kitchen. I'm gonna have to figure out what that is. The way how my life has been going, I really need to refocus on just like my endeavors. I haven't had any energy. I haven't had the heart, the motivation. Mentally, I just was not in the best position that I needed to be. I'm gonna go in more detail in my life update, which I'll probably film today also. I need to get up. It's almost 12:30. I need to be productive. I need to eat something. I need to get on my Zoom. I'll tap in with y'all in a second. It is actually several hours later. Literally after I got off with you guys, I ended up dozing off and napping for hours and watching Guardians of the Galaxy. I didn't start being productive until like 7 o'clock. So now I'm in Home Depot. Clearly I'm lost. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm getting closer to like this spray paint area. Clearly I don't know what I'm doing up in here. But I think, oh, here it is. I got this last time.
Yeah.
But, you know, when I was done, I put my finger across it and it was like black powder.
Ooh.
So I need like some sort of sealant. That's what my friends were telling me, but I don't know.
Really? That doesn't make any sense. It
Yeah.
shouldn't have been, you shouldn't have had matte black. Jeez. That shouldn't have come off on your hands at all.
That's what I was thinking. Like once it's dry, then that's it.
That's it. Yeah, there's something's not right with the paint if it did that.
Because I bought 2 bottles of it. And actually, that's why I came back here to get more. But I don't.
Yeah. I've never had that happen just between you and I. That doesn't happen. Something's definitely wrong with the paint.
Oh,
yeah, it's
okay.
not supposed to come off on your hands after you paint it. It's supposed to be, I mean, you can put a lacquer over it, like a clear coat. Like here's a gloss clear.
That's what I'm thinking. I didn't know what I needed to go over it.
Yeah, you could do that, like a gloss clear. They might have a satin too. Here's a gloss, there's a matte. That's shiny. This one's a little bit more of a matte finish. It's
Okay.
not shiny. It's like, but it would protect it.
Okay, seals, protects, revitalizes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you spray it over it, but that's really weird that it comes off like that. What do you paint it on, wood?
Yeah, it's like an IKEA dresser.
And maybe you need to do a paint instead of a spray paint. I don't know.
See, and that's the thing. I'm not bothered about
Yeah.
I don't want to do too much. So what's the difference between this and a primer? What does a primer do?
Primer is before you paint.
Oh.
So so usually the paint will be a primer and a paint in one.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, that's not a primer and a paint in one. But a primer is you put on before you paint. And what that does, that seals everything and makes the paint adhere better.
I wonder if that's what I should have done in the first place.
Could be.
Okay,
Yeah, well, good luck with that.
Thank you so much. No, I really appreciate it.
No problem.
Shoot.
No problem.
No. Well, see, guys, I knew I was gonna find some help in here from a good civilian. You know, you gotta find the older white dudes that have like what are them shoes called? You know what I'm talking about. Them the ones that know everything. I'm getting 2 more cans of like the Bear matte and then this clear one that the guy was telling me about. I can't really show you guys in full. And then after this, I'm gonna hop into Target. Where's the entrance? Wow, everybody's so creative. I was having like another conversation with like 2 people at checkout. I'm telling y'all, go to Home Depot. Home Depot has like the nicest people, the nicest customers. I'm walking to Target. It's literally like the next building over. I don't usually come to this Target though because they don't really have everything that I need. It's like a smaller Target. I saw Jackie Ina went on like a brand trip for Swiffer and they had like this new mop. And I want to see if they have it because like apparently it cleans 10 times better than the regular Swiffer. If I can find it, I'm going to get rid of the Swiffer that I have now. I'm actually kind of thirsty right now. I want like a little drinky drink. Oh my god, guys, they have it. I'm so excited. Okay. I should probably get a cart though because this is not going to fit in my basket. Okay, so I got a cart and the bag is secured. So now we're going to get a little bevy. What do I want? What do I want? So they don't have any poppy, but I do drink this stuff. I like the Olipop, the vintage cola. I'm also feeling like some kombucha though. Maybe I'll get both. Okay, so I did some looking around and I'm just gonna leave before I end up spending any more money than I need to because all I did come here for was the mop. I decided to get the cherry and cola Olipop. I've never tried this one. This is probably the least money I've ever spent in Target. Like usually when I leave here I'm spending no less than like $100. Can y'all tell on camera? Look at this. Scraped my J's in Target, hit my foot on the little cart and got a little red scuff mark. That's alright though, I can get a little white to get that off, but that got me tight when I was leaving the store. Okay, But we are officially back in the house. I'm sipping on this cherry cola Olipop. I've never had this before, so I'm trying it out to see what it's like. I put it in a cup, you know, because I want to be a little bougie, so. Ooh, that's good. I like that. I need to post something on my story. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I actually just finished filming my life update video. Now I'm gonna get started on editing this video. Hello, this is not working with the company now. I'm the one in charge of your deal. Are you done signing the agreement? Oh, they've been on my body. Oh, I have emails I need to respond to. See, this is the downside of going like literally weeks without posting, like pretty much a month without posting. I also take a break from looking at my emails too. I have so many things that I need to get together. Yeah, I need to figure that out. If you want to do a YouTube channel and you know what you need to start out with, get an external hard drive, please. Because this, I want to say this is 2 terabytes, so it stores a lot. You have to put your editing software on your hard drive so that you're not bogging down your computer. I don't think I'm going to be able to start finishing spray painting my dresser that I have like right next to me. So I don't think I actually showed you guys what's going on. So this is my dresser and how it currently looks right now. I have the drawers taken out because I'm going to spray paint them separately. I have one drawer done already, but I didn't have enough spray paint to finish the other drawer. So the problem that I was having, this is what I was telling like the nice man in Home Depot yesterday. When I brush my finger across this, you see how there's like black stuff coming out on my finger? That's not supposed to happen. I was showing pictures of it to Arnell and she was like, you need to do a second coat. And I'm like, what? She's like, yeah, you need to do a second coat. I see what she's saying because from afar, it does like look a little patchy like on the top of it. Y'all don't understand how much work this was. I'm gonna get this memory card into my laptop so I can start editing. I found a way to edit quicker. It's like 5 o'clock right now. I usually do not like wait this late in the day to edit. But hopefully if I play my cards right, I can post today at a decent time. Anywho, my battery's about to die, so I will check in with y'all in a second. For a second. What's up, y'all? So today is Sunday, but we are on an entirely brand new weekend and I'm finna wrap it up. I'm ready to wrap this up. I am tired. I'm tired. So my dresser is pretty much almost done. Last night I sprayed these 2. This was already done, but I put like a clear coat over it. And then I have 2 more that I need to do here. Then I'm gonna put like a clear matte coat over the dresser, and then I'll be done. I'm ready to be done. This has been going on for way too long. I'm tired. It's just so much work. Like, I'm not these little DIY channels. I was thinking about looking online for some knickknacks to put on top of it, you know, just to make it look decorated, you know what I mean? Because at first I had my TV on top of it, but you know, I'm ready to be grown and I'm ready to mount my TV. Well, I'm not ready to mount it. Hopefully somebody else can do it. You know, random thought. What if I just filmed all my vlogs from this angle? One time somebody tagged me on Instagram and they were watching my vlog on TV and I looked crazy as But you know what? I still reshared it to my story because, you know, I gotta show support back to the world.
lose. Oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me 'cause I like the way you groove. Oh, darling. Boy, you're right to me. I can do the same. Ooh, I love the taste. Oh, la, 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 la. I love my tongue up on it. Boy, you're right to me. I can do the same. Ooh, I love the taste. Oh, la, 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 la. I love my tongue up on it. Make this with me. Always just 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 make this with me. Always just
What's up, y'all? Editing Dishon from the future. As you can probably hear my obnoxious computer making a lot of noise right now, I'm currently editing the vlog that you guys are seeing right now so that it can be posted. Unfortunately, we were not able to finish the dresser today. Everything that I've done is currently out on my deck drying right now. So come the next vlog, you guys will see an entirely brand new dresser completely. I'm also filming like a little before and after TikTok of it too, so you guys will probably see that first, if anything, before the vlog. So make sure you guys just follow me on all my socials, on TikTok, Instagram, everything. I'm gonna be hella active. I have so many ideas coming for the summertime. I can't wait for y'all to see. That concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.